Government continues eviction drive and Forest Department demolishes office of Nompok Chinguthong. Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren asserts 3 lakh complaints were settled under the ambitious Go to Village mission so far, assures of settling the rest in due time. Rajya Sabha MP Khetrimayum Bhavananda assures to table Indo-Myanmar boundary controversy in the upcoming parliamentary session. MPCC delegates team meet President of India Ramnath Kovind today. Team submits a memorandum on the prevailing issues of Manipur to the President. And United Committee Manipur pledges to fight against any threat on Manipur's boundary during its 18th Foundation Day observance today. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Rashmi Lashram with the top stories and latest news at this hour. In continuation of eviction drive which began yesterday at Nongmai Ching Reserve Forest area, the Forest Department today demolished the office of Nompok Chinguthong and all the illegal constructions in the office campus today. A team of Forest Department officials led by additional SP Imphal East conducted the eviction drive after serving repeated notifications around 11 this morning. Members of Nompok Chinguthong told the team that the area was declared as a state land after getting approval from the government and even paid taxes to the department concerned. However, the officials asserted that the area belonged to Central Forest Division and dismissed their justification. The officials offered a 1-hour duration and later proceeded with the demolition, stating that they have been occupying the area legally and peacefully by paying taxes to the department concerned. Residents of the area strongly condemned the government's actions. It may be mentioned that since yesterday, the Forest Department has destroyed altogether 74 illegal structures built at Nongmai Ching Forest Reserve area, including a primary school. On the other hand, the Forest and Environment Minister Tiyat Shamkumar refuted the criticisms against the eviction drive by stating that the department went ahead with the drive with an objective to safeguard forest reserve area and the eviction drive is not targeting to a specific community. The Forest Department further announced that eviction drive against illegal constructions in reserve areas will continue in the future.
State land की 1963-67 की कैलेस्ट्रेन मैप ता एक 1960 की मखा जो सी साउना असोबा कैलेस्ट्रेन मैप सिदा स्टेट लैंड ने फजा मयक सिंग यावरिबनी अदुगी बेसिस ता तौदन गवर्नमेंट ना अगर मखोइनि मणिपुर फॉरेस्ट रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट लौथोकपसि 19 ngasi की खबर यावदा धनंजय हैबा मोय फॉरेस्ट की 1990 लौथोकपनि खोगी कैलेस्ट्रेन मैप सेटलमेंट की 1963-67 ममांगनेबा अदु कांददी पुरा मपुंग फाना मसि स्टेट लैंड ओइरिया अदो मसि की चयन बसे सेंथोक्त्रिङा दिङसि इविक्शन तौने लाइसे मसि अखोय याम पेनदबा नुंगाइतबा अखो अखोगी मरुइना मैति की कल्चर की लाइनिंग सिदा यामना थ्रेट ओइबा सिंगनबनिना लौवेबा.
On the other hand, the 48 hours general strike called by All Manipur Muslim Organization Coordination Committee against the eviction of inhabitants at Nongmai Ching Reserve Forest area affected many Muslim inhabited areas of the state today. The ban has affected vehicular movements and normal lives in Lilong, Wangkhem, Kairao, Kiamgai, Khetrigao, Hata and Mantipukri. Ban supporters also burnt up effigies of Chief Minister and Forest Minister in Lilong Market. Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren stated that the government targets to successfully complete the first phase of Go to Village mission by the first month of 2019. He said, so far 3 lakh complaints out of the total number of complaints submitted by the people have been settled. Chief Minister Biren further assured of materializing all the remaining complaints into action without further delay. Speaking further at the Go-To Village camp held at Ibudao Marjing Laibung in Haingang Mayailekai today, Biren also informed that 21 crore rupees were set aside for the welfare of the people. The Chief Minister appealed to everyone to utilize all the welfare schemes initiated by the government. Responding to media queries on the eviction drive carried out at Nongmaiching yesterday, Chief Minister Biren clarified that the eviction was executed only after issuing countless notices and urged the individuals concerned to discontinue politicizing the matter into a communal issue. Biren reiterated that the eviction notice was served 1 month prior to the drive. The Chief Minister further appealed to everyone not to bombard the government with false allegations based on communal politics.
Reserve forest ki lam marak da yung saba in close to revision ki marak Tripura gi Manipuri nataba Manipuri ko gi mai dai pangal nataba Tripura da ni hai karai da ni hai Aadhaar card paiba Aadhaar card ko mapan ki mi ni identify tawraba ai koi sigi lam nataba mi yung ahum mi oi mapan karmai na mapan na taraga lai ni ramino hai bisu Lekat percaya kan memang tu kaya. Aku ni masih ILP jesi ILP ni na law ki kari kana dori be. Ain chat ko ki kari kana dori. Manu kan loi na taadar loi na mapan ni misi na loi taal le kare koi kari kana ne tu. Mikat thopi ro Manipur percaya.
Rajya Sabha MP Khetrimayum Bhabananda has stated that the Indo-Myanmar boundary controversy and Myanmar's encroachment upon Manipur's land will be tabled in the upcoming parliamentary session. The MP also reminded that BJP National President Amit Shah, during his visit in the state, has affirmed that the final resolution to the framework agreement signed between NSC and IM and Government of India will not be allowed to affect the interest of Manipur. Speaking further, at the inaugural of New Kaisamthong BJP Mandal office in Thauda Babok Laikai Sega Road today, Bhabananda asserted that all the BJP ministers, MLAs and himself have strong beliefs to quit politics if situation arises affecting the territorial integrity of Manipur. He also said a memorandum stating that the conclusion to the Indo-Naga Framework Agreement should not affect Manipur in any manner, signed by himself, was submitted to BJP National President Amit Shah during his visit in the state. The MP affirmed the stance of the government of Manipur on the issue by citing that even Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren had earlier intimated his intention of resigning from his post if the final conclusion to the framework agreement affects the state in any manner. Members of Kaisamthong BJP Mandal, including its president, K. Norendro, were introduced to MP Bhabananda on the occasion. The members lamented that rights are not fully ensured to the public due to political differences. The MP appealed to the members to jointly put in efforts for the victory of BJP in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections 2019.
National President. Amuta sa mga experience pirami. Okay, may pare gusto kayo makarapin yung na Manipur interest at may interest. So kadra hay mana Manipur interest so kasi to ro sumbi pilo hay so thaja ba pilam. Kaya kung masi ipot na Manipur da natara ka may interest so patara di mamami photo kilo mayam din yan sa tiba photo mat ko kali. Ano masi to bigano hay ba pili return memory na matapay na. Ako yung nasipo to feli ba tawag mayam sida de pa sentry mayam to di Jadi tergolong kaya belakang tu mandi. Kalau kali umur lapan dah agak su honorable CM ni hai. Aku yang ada design tu saya. Aku now sesuatu yang Manipur dalam ini semua mangal loy. Politics tu itu kini maduni nama ni. Bisa kita lagi jadi apa yang maduni. Sama nak apa lagi. Bahkan lagi.
The Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee delegates today met with the President of India Ramnath Kovind and submitted a memorandum on the prevailing issues of Manipur. Treasurer of MPCC and MLA Sukno, K. Ranjit, intimated Impact News over a telephonic conversation that the 13-member Congress delegates, including MP Dr. T. Mainya, MP Thangso Baite, and former Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangam met with the President at Rashtrapati Bhavan around 11 this morning. The Congress delegates submitted a memorandum on various issues of the state, including border pillar issue, Indo-Naga Framework Agreement, Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 and prevailing crisis in Manipur University to the President of the country. The Congress team intimated the President in depth on the prevailing upheavals at Manipur University, where normal academic atmosphere has been badly affected. Deans and head of departments have resigned, classes are on hold, etc. President, after listening attentively to their grievances, responded that career lives of the students should not be affected and assured of efforts to resolve the university impasse at the earliest. United Committee Manipur UCM observed its 18th Foundation Day at UCM office in Lamphel Park today. UCM, representatives of different communities and members of various civil society organizations have resolved to stand united and counter the recent outside forces threatening the territorial boundary of Manipur on the occasion. Speakers at the event asserted that the Indian government is playing divide and rule policy by disintegrating the state politically, culturally and geographically. They asserted that indifference by the Indian government at the wake of Indo-Myanmar border dispute shows that the state holds no significance for the Indian government. The speakers also asserted that all the communities inhabiting the state will submerge into oblivion if each community is self-centric. President of UCM, Sunil Karam, hoisted the committee's flag to mark the Foundation Day observance, and a 2-minute silence was also observed in honor of late Udoy Thongam, who gave immense contribution in establishing the committee on the occasion.
Union Minister of State Kiran Regional Lakana, Manipur ki boundary ngamkoi the karim ta akaiba laite haribase Government of India ki thausadaba leadership policy duna adugumlaba makoi ki uthorok polichat amane Manipur ki miyamna condemn tawi amas UCM na high river Kiran region ki statement na susu aikoi madu ki against the lady aikoi ki boundary ki manung ase atopa yumthang nariba country da pithokpa ama amasung India ki manung da lariba state singsida Government of India ki policy na lajari ba puruk state sing thugai ba ki policy amaga pithok pa ani ji sui hairiba sigi mayokta United Committee Manipur na matam supada ngamkhai amasung Manipur ki apun bugi saktam ngakna no khona matam na lepkani Manipur miyam na aikoi machida khongkwam channel leminar.
The hearing of the EEVFAM case was held at Court Number 3 of the Supreme Court of India before the special bench consisting of Justice Madan B. Lukur and Justice U. Lalit yesterday. The court asked the Special Investigation Team of the CBI about the progress of the investigation. The CBI's SIT had placed the 6th status report of the investigation before the bench is sealed envelope. Out of the total of 1,528 fake encounter cases that had taken place in Manipur from 1979 to 2012, the CBI SIT could produce only 4 completed cases, while assuring that 20 cases could be completed in 2 months or so. The court observed that investigation is still moving very slow. The court asked the National Human Rights Commission that they should actively get involved in investigation. The court also asked the Special Investigation Team to share all the status reports and progress of the investigation with the NHRC by Thursday and intervene as and when required. A lieutenant colonel posted at Imphaal's M sector has been arrested at gunpoint by the army, allegedly in apprehension of disclosing details of its various wrongdoings. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club today, representatives of women organization and wife of the arrested Lieutenant Colonel Dharamveer Singh drew the attention of the relevant authorities to find out the truth behind the arrest. Dharamveer, who is posted as a commanding officer at M Sector 2 FID by 3 CISU, Imphal, was arrested at gunpoint on the early morning of July 1 by a team of around 10 Jawans, along with Lieutenant Colonel Nanda and Major Rathod and one JCO. Wife of the arrested said she was told that as per an order of commanding officer of 3 CISU, Ranjan, her husband was taken into custody. However, nothing further was intimated as to why her husband, Lieutenant Colonel Dharamveer Singh, was arrested. She also said she and her 2 daughters were restrained from moving out of their house, but later somehow managed to go out. She then filed an FIR at the city police against the arrest. Meanwhile, representatives of the women organizations assured to ensure safety to the mother and the daughters.
Situation was such like I am into trap and now nobody is going to let me go out because my husband was not there, and I saw in the gate was also locked, the main gate were also locked, and today till date today nobody informed me anything. They took all my details, although they know that I am wife of Colonel Dharamveer Singh. I spoke to my husband today morning. He said, I'm all right here, but I'm kept here surrounded by the CMP Jawans. Why he is kept there like that? I just want to know where he is, and I want to know if he has been taken there as officially has been taken there, why they did not inform me.
Fake account the hat ki bama yamse haibadi maduda kitang haidu ani photo ani noi phatta batau hiban noi na du tau hibagi photo haidu ani hairu bagi damakta haiba ichan pasi pharaga pasinga sibawa kano tawdre duna ichan pi si aina pokcha ba ichamang ni sumang ni khalli laiba si mama ni ichan pi ani ni aduna moi ahum si yeng badai ma hoi thamoi yamna sokchai mama macham hoi ahum na wari basigi yeng aga khoina ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯄꯨꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯨꯔꯣꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯒ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯤꯆꯥ ꯅꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯗ ꯋꯥꯖꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯃꯥ ꯃꯄꯥ ꯍꯥꯠꯇꯣꯛꯇꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯎꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯀꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯤꯄꯥꯗꯣ ꯑꯆꯨꯝ ꯑꯔꯥꯟꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ나 ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯇ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯕꯨ ꯍꯥꯠꯄꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯀꯟꯒꯗꯝꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒꯕꯨ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯥꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯀꯗꯧ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ.
A hand grenade was planted by unidentified individuals at the residence of Wanchong Tham Tomba in Kongba Nandaibam Lekai of Imphal East District. Outraged localities staged sit-in protests against the incident today. Sources said family members of Tomba found the hand grenade inside their gate around 4 early this morning. The family immediately informed Irilbung police station, upon which bomb disposal squad of Manipur police arrived and safely removed the hand grenade. Family members said Tomba, who owns a cement and iron shop near Uripok oil pump, was threatened and demanded money over the phone by some unknown miscreants a few days ago. Outraged locals and Maira Paibis staged a sit-in near Kongba Nandaibam Lekai, Mil Lairak, and strongly condemned planting of bombs in the residential area, creating panic and terror. The protesters further urged individuals concerned not to carry out such acts in the future. MSU Pukhao branch will felicitate meritorious students of Dolai Thabi Zilla Parishad who have passed the recently declared Class 10 and Class 12 examinations 2018, securing above 60% for BOSUM and COSUM and above 65% for CBSE board on July 15. In the press release, the student union also informed to submit relevant mark sheet latest by July 10 and to contact the branch for further details. Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur in a press release notified that the last date of issuance and submission of application forms for admission to Class 11 for the academic session 2018-19 in institutions under the Council has been extended up to July 10 without fine and up to July 25 with a fine of Rs 300. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on an exclusive report on Zuko Valley and the beautiful lily of this valley, the Zuko lily. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. The Zuko Valley and the beautiful lily of this valley, the Zuko lily, are two of the most precious gifts of nature to Manipur. There is apprehension that due to lack of care and attention by the people and the government of the state, the Zuko lily might soon get extinct. Impact News brings you an exclusive report in this regard.
The beauty of Zuko lily blooming in the Zuko Valley attracts tourists from across the world. However, with the lack of proper care and attention by today's generation and the government of the state, these beautiful lilies might cease to exist in the near future. The Zuko Valley, which is abode to the ethereal Zuko lily, is situated at Mao in Senapati district, the northernmost border of Manipur. However, with the lack of proper route to reach the valley, many tourists from the state have to travel via Zakhma and Vishwema of the neighboring state Nagaland. The beautiful Zuko lily brings together in a day over 300 tourists, including foreigners. A guest house opened by Sadanangami Youth Organization of Nagaland in the Zuko Valley provides overnight accommodation to tourists at a cost of just 100 rupees as entry fee and 50 rupees for a night stay. The organization also imposes fine on plucking the flower. Experts lament at a decreased number of blooms this year in comparison to the previous years. Plastic bottles and other waste littered by tourists have polluted the valley. The situation calls for the government of Manipur to take various measures, including construction of proper roadways to reach the valley, a station house, public laboratories, etc., to develop the place, which has a huge tourism potential to bring a change in the state's economy. Bureau Report, Impact News.
Imphal West District Administration, in association with BJP Thangmaiban Mandal, held the third phase of Go to Village Mission Camp at Thangmaiban Sinam Lekai Community Hall today. 26 different departments opened stalls at the camp and gave opportunities to make benefit cards to beneficiaries of CM-SST, CMHT and other schemes meant for widows and underprivileged beneficiaries. Taking part at the camp, Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Jotin Waikhom, stated that the mission is being successfully carried out all across the state. Many people in Thangmaiban constituency attended the camp and sought help from department officials on the provisions of various schemes. School bags were also distributed to the students of Sinam Nodia Upper Primary School under Sarva Siksha Abhiyan SSA at the camp. Additional Chief Secretary, Government of Manipur, Letkogen Haukep, was among those present at the camp.
अखोई मणिपुर प्रजा सिंगदा सासोन लय बेसे खुन खुन सिंगदा लेकाय लेकाय सिंगदा एवरी सेक्शन ओदा मफम खुदिं ता यहोन्ना बगे दुमा पांदम ममने मासी प्रजा सिंगना याम पामना मासी तौबगी कानाबा नुंगाइबा मासी हुजिक प्रजा सिंगना याम महाउसि लौरिबा दुगुंबा मिशन नमने हेन हाइजनिंगी अदुगा ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर ना सासोन असि प्रजा सिंगदा खुद डायरेक्ट ओने यहोन्ना बगे अदुंबा चौबा
Imphal West District Administration also held a go-to-village mission camp at Urembam Uyung Makhong Lampak in Konthaujam constituency today. Officials of 35 different departments gave awareness on how to avail various schemes sanctioned by the centre. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Konthaujam constituency Dr. Sapam Ranjan asserted that go-to-village mission launched under the initiative of Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has benefited the people of the state to a great extent. He said the mission validates the existence of an efficient governance in the state.
Khungang chatseba program jida akhoi prajada awareness achomapi government ki schemes the governance se koi khungang jida neba koi na se certificates sing ja bana keno me am certificates yaw dragadi atai scheme je loba ya da ba kya yaw bani na sige certificates sing je keno tawraga schemes example in a CMHT chief minister ki haksel ki tengbang chief minister ki sothar jabin ki tengbang duga koi ujwala scheme akhoi ki atop subida government ki facilities government ki scheme praja individuals में आमजना फंगना ना बेटा मक्ता प्रोग्राम से याम ना करो तो अखोई सी केंद्र की वजह दी अखोई सी ना मरी सुबह प्रोग्राम ने
District Administration Bishnupur held the 6th Go-to-Village Mission Camp at Ibudau Pakhangba Haraubung in Waheng Kuman of Nombol constituency today. A team led by Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh, T.H. Basanta, inspected the camp and also distributed various schemes. Basanta appealed to the people to grab the opportunity given by the government. BJP Nombol Mandal as Brajamani and General Secretary Jitain also attended the camp. Go-to-village mission camps for the 6th phase were also held at Taubul of Oinam constituency and Kordak of Thanga constituency today. MLA of Oinam constituency, El Radakeshwar, distributed beneficiary items and further assured of more welfare benefits from the government. Speaking on the occasion, he condemned that some people tried to malign the image of the government. Radakeshwar urged the people to cooperate in the government's endeavor for bringing welfare. DC Bishnupur District Pavan Yadav inspected the camp held at Kordak. Go-to-village camp was also held under the supervision of MLA Khetrigao Nahakpam Indrajit at Top Awang Laikai Nongmairembi Community Hall under Top Dushara Gram Panchayat today. 28 government departments opened stalls and provided various schemes and benefits of the government to the beneficiaries at the camp organized by Imphal East Administration. Speaking on the sidelines, Pradhan of Top Dashara Gram Panchayat Mayang Lambam Surbala lauded the ambitious mission initiated by Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren and stated that the mission not only gives awareness but also provides benefits on various governmental schemes even to the people residing in the interior areas of the state.
Department Kunipan Sagi Koina, Maru in a Mende public singna, Hangdaba facilities in a sea Kudong Sabasi, Pipi Gani Haidana, go to Bileski Pandam, Si Sarkarna, Takpibani, Eko Kungangsi, the Sala Pangtopasi, Yamna, Kane, the Equisars in Daziki, Hauzimara out of station, or Adomagisu, Asowa Equida, support Pipire, Pangtokli Bago to Bilesi, Equi public sing the Asuki Matikana, Gani Haidana, Equi Wakal the Tamzari, Equi Gram Panzaina, best level the Kohona Zagani, public singi, upon Basing Haitare. Individual boy or community boy or a Pagnaba, a Queen Su, a Quigi, Batting P. Nabakoi Kana Honazari.
Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur, in collaboration with Golden Publication, will release 2 books authored by Thokchom Thoyanba Meitei entitled Ishu Sa Ipu Wari Lirage in Bengali script and Ishu Sa Pupu Wari Lirage in Meitei Mayek script at Manipur Press Club on July 8 around 2:30 in the afternoon. The forum, in a press release, invites all the writers and the people of the state to attend the book releasing event. State Blood Cell Manipur and Life Savers Manipur will jointly conduct a voluntary blood donation camp at RIMS Blood Bank Lumphel on July 4. The Welfare Association for the Blind Manipur, in a press release, also informed that individuals between the age of group of 15 to 65 weighing above 45 kg can take part at the camp. Al Amin Lilong has triumphed the second MCA T20 Luang Pokpa Trophy. The first league match, scheduled to be held at Luang Pokpa Cricket Stadium, was postponed on account of rainfall. In the second league match of the tournament, Al Amin Lilong won the toss and chose to bat. In the first inning of the match, Al Amin Lilong scored 85 runs in 12 overs with 5 wickets down, where Majibur Rahman scored 29 runs. In the second inning of the match, UCC Uripok scored 63 runs in 10 overs with 3 wickets down, thus losing by 22 runs. Majibur Rahman, batsman of Al Amin Lilong, was awarded the man of the match. The third league match of the tournament, scheduled to play later, was also postponed due to unfavorable weather conditions. Altogether, 20 teams are participating at the tournament organized by Manipur Cricket Association. Subsequent matches of the tournament will be played tomorrow. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Government continues eviction drive. Forest Department demolishes office of Nongpok Chinguthong. Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren asserts 3 lakh complaints were settled under the ambitious Go to Village mission so far, assures of settling the rest in due time. Rajya Sabha MP Khetrimayong Bhabananda assures to table Indo-Myanmar boundary controversy in the upcoming parliamentary session. MPCC delegates team meets President of India Ramnath Kovind today. Team submits a memorandum on the prevailing issues of Manipur to the President. And United Committee Manipur pledges to fight against any threat on Manipur's boundary during its 18th Foundation Day observance today.